friends, welcome to my channel called IVD Manufacturing. So today we are going to discuss on the user manual which were published by the CDSCO on 28th of December 2017 with version 1.0. So my friends, mainly ये जो पोर्टल है, the online portal, this portal is helpful for the upcoming manufacturer or the existing manufacturer who are there into the Indian market. So कोई भी जो regulatory requirement है, I mean the regulatory process for governing the medical device, whether it could be the IVD as well. So क्या होता है, ये मैनुअल आपको हेल्प करेगा कि पोर्टल को कैसे ऑपरेट करना है आपको, हाउ टू ऑपरेट द पोर्टल. When it's come to the operating the portal, it could be filing various applications forms, whether it could be the test license, the manufacturing license, the import license, etc. So आइए friends, let's go deep into this lecture and go through each page of this manual. So this manual basically comprises of total 26 pages. So the second page tells you what are the contents which are there inside this manual. So the content mainly comprises of the user login, the dashboard, how to change the password, how to access the user information who are registered in this portal, which is specific for the manufacturer, how to add the address, how to submit the applications, I mean the various applications. So what happens, for submitting the application you need to refer a reference document which is called as MDR 2017, Medical Device Regulation of Indian Market. Then how to access the ongoing application which is saved in draft format. Then how to access the applications which have already been submitted. So CDSCO ने काफ़ी इजी तरीके से बताया है कि जो उसके जो विंडोज़ हैं उसको विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिगर समझाने की उसने कोशिश किया है. So let's move to the subsequent pages. So the first things comes about the introduction. So my friends, as you can see my screen, so this is basically the online portal for the medical device which helps those applicants who want to submit the application via online mode for the medical device regulatory process pertaining to the CDSCO. ये पोर्टल क्या करता है, ये पोर्टल आपको हेल्प करेगा टू अपलोड द सपोर्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट, टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू द क्वेरी फ्रॉम CDSCO ऑफिशियल्स and to track the application status. So जो user account है, it will show you all the applications which have been submitted so far, for which the license have been given by the CDSCO, or either it is in query phase or the in process phase, etc. So let's speak about the first point, which is the user login. So my friends, what you can do, you need to open your internet Chrome browser, then you just type online portal for medical device CDSCO. The moment you type and the moment you search in the search engine, you will be able to access this portal. So after getting link with this portal, you will be able to see the screen which is displayed in a form of login screen. So how to log in this portal, you need to go towards the right hand side on the top hand corner and then you need to press the login button. The moment you click the login, it will display the field to punch your username, to submit your password and then to enter the CAPTCHA codes. Then press the login button, so you will be able to log in the portal. After getting login, the dashboard will appear. So this dashboard mainly comprises of total 7 subfields. So let's speak about the 7 subfields. So you can see there are 7 subfields which is been displayed in a form of legend color. The first one is the submit applications. Second is the save draft application. Third, the submitted applications. Fourth, approved application. Fifth, rejected applications. Then the application which have been withdrawn, and the one which is in query raised or the query responded phase. So my friends, please see my mouse cursor which is pointing on the right hand side. So on the main dashboard you will be able to see how many forms is in draft phase, I mean the application form, how much for them the payment have been done, the in process, and so well. And then in the below of the table you will be able to see the information specific to the various MD forms. Like for example, MD12 is for applying the test license. Manufacturing license के लिए there could be other MD form, so on. So coming to the zoom portion of this dashboard, see you will be able to see very clearly form MD3, form MD4, MD7, MD8, MD12, and so on. Then how to change the password? So once you get to the access of the dashboard, you will be able to see there is an option called change password on the right hand side of the screen, the top corner. So to change, you need to put your old password, enter the new password, re-enter. Then it asks either of the option to reset your password or to get the new password. The first would be to click either the email option or to click the mobile number. So any of them is workable. So once you click any of the option, the OTP will be sent to that given instructions. The moment you get the OTP, you need to enter the OTP and then you need to proceed further, right? So assume for time being that you have entered the new password, then you have clicked the save button. So doing this, you will be able to get the new password done set. So far you have learned how to log in the portal, how to change the password, and how to understand on the various dashboards fields which are there on the screen. So my friends, let's speak about the user profile. I mean how to access the user information. So towards the left hand side of your screen, I mean the dashboard, you will be able to see 3 blue in color pop-up window. The one would be the user profile, the second would be the ad address, the third would be the online payment. So to access this, just click on the menu, and after clicking the menu button, just click the user profile, right? The moment you click the user profile, you would be able to see a 2 window. The one window comprises of the general detail and the second one is a registered user detail. So general detail is basically the detail which represent the manufacturer, right? The second detail speaks about the registered user detail. I mean the detail by which you access this portal. I mean the contact number, the email ID. I mean the detail by which you will be able to fill the application form. I mean, let's say if you apply the MD12 form, so whatever the information which are there on the MD12, all this information will be captured on that MD12, like the contact number, the mail ID of that person, right? And yes, there are options to modify the detail also, right?